Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY, we are going to use one of my new favorite products, which is Gallery Glass by Plaid Crafts. And you can use this product to make beautiful stained glass pieces, along with upcycling pieces of glass and changing up their color. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. So I'm using a glass trivet from the Dollar Tree, and I printed out the outline for this project. You can get it on plaidonline.com. I'll put the link below in the description box. And what you're going to do is you're going to trace out the image using the Gallery Glass paints. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the black paint. It's like the etching paint, what gives the stained glass the appearance of its outlines. So with this paint, I'm going to go all around this image and trace it onto this glass trivet. So let's continue. So now I'm finished tracing the outline of the image, and I did mess up a little bit because I could have enlarged the print, but I didn't, so I will freehand a design along the edges. I'm going to use the pastel colored Gallery Glass paints. Now this paint comes in a wide variety of colors, but I decided I wanted to use some of the pastels, and for the edges I am going to use one of the primary colors just to give it a little bit of a pop. Now all you're going to do is you're going to use the paint and just basically with the tip that it comes with, the bottle, you're going to fill in each of the sections with the colors that you want. So let's continue. Once I'm done filling in all the colors, I'm going to let this dry overnight, and once it is dry, it is going to look like this. You can purchase Plaid Gallery Glass on plaidonline.com. I will put the link in the description box or at any craft supply store. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.